what ways have you found to help promote to those who are not tech savvy to use pickup and delivery?
I'm definitely not tech savvy at all. I mean, my support, my POS system, the support they I have them on speed dial because I have to call them about everything. And even when they tell me something, I'm like, start from the beginning. Where do I put that? What's it called? The bar? What bar? I'm better now, but you have to be with someone that you're comfortable. Even like our customers have to be comfortable with us. We have to be comfortable with the support system and the tech system that we do and employ so that we know that they can support us on the back end.
For me, this question is really about that customer support, right? So for people who aren't going to use the website or are not going to use the app, give us a call. We're pretty friendly people and we want to help you, right? So if you give us a call, we can walk you through that. And if you always have to call us, that's fine. We have one customer I can think of right now. Every time they want a pickup, which they're not on a recurring pickup, every time they want one, they give us a call. And that's okay. We know that they're going to be calling.
Yep, the good old fashioned phone.
Mm-hmm.